Hello children, welcome back to my channel and let's start our today's drawing. First I will draw this way and another side also like this. After that, with the help of curved lines, I am going to draw tree. Same way in this side, one more tree here and one here. Okay, now after that just draw like this for the waterfall. Okay, straight down for waterfall, and this is the water area. Some lines, vertical lines you have to draw, small vertical lines. And here I am going to add rock. I am going to give the texture of rock like this. Okay, it's very simple. Let's draw in this way. Same way, another side. Now from here I am going to draw mountain like this. Okay, and I will draw two birds here. Now let's color. So here our drawing is ready. Children, if you want more videos like this, then like, share and subscribe my channel. And also you can suggest me what to draw for the next video in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.